Hello, welcome back again to another new video of our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the new version 4.0.0 of our GoHighLevel extension for Gravityform plugin in the WordPress. So in the previous videos, I have already shown you that how to install the plugin in WordPress and how to connect the GHL account with the Gravityform. So if you haven't watched the video, please click on the I button and see the videos. So as well as all the video links are given in the description section as well. So there are two basic features of the version 2. Then the version 1, that is you can connect multiple locations and you can connect the GHL account with the Gravityform by just one click. So the first task is that you have to install the plugin in the WordPress. So once the plugin is installed and activated in the WordPress, after that you can connect the GHL account with the Gravityform in mainly two ways. Number one, using the plugin settings, and number two, using the form settings. So number one, using the plugin settings, then just click on the settings. And from here, you can select multiple locations. So here I'm selecting two locations. Here is one and here is two. Yes, and one most important and crucial thing you need to remember, that is your marketplace should be on the same browser. Okay, so as I have my marketplace on the same browser, that's why it is opening. Otherwise, it will be not showing. Okay. So I have selected two locations, and from there you can select form specific settings. Like I'm selecting the demo form, and I'm choosing the location ibsofts for that. And here I'm assigning tag A, and here I have set that. Okay. So whenever the form will be submitted, the form's location will be the ibsofts. Otherwise, the another option is there, that is the global settings. From here, as I'm assigning another location, that is Extrude Digital, and I'm setting the global tag, that is tag A. So all the forms will be submitted to the Extrude Digital, and only the demo form will be submitted to the ibsofts. Okay. So now from here, you can see one thing, that is yes. So here as I'm connected, so that's why it is showing connected. So from here you can disconnect the GHL account with the Gravityform. Okay, and so now I have to check the form. So here I need to test the form. I'm just putting in random stuffs. Here I'm submitting. Yes, so the form is submitted. So it should be loaded in the ibsofts. Yes, so here you can see that is the form is submitted to the ibsofts, and other forms will be submitted to the Extrude Digital. And the another method is that using the form settings. So for that, you need to go to the forms, the settings, and go to the GoHighLevel. So here, as I have already selected the GHL locations, so that's why it is already showing the GHL location as well as the tag. So from here, you can also disconnect that. If I disconnect it from here, you can check it from there also. Yes, so from here it is also disconnected. So in these two ways you can connect the GHL account with the Gravityform. So if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.